Start over.
Arnie's on your tail.
Oh.
Arnie. Come on, Arnie. Come on. Good job, though. Good job. You were right. He had all the food. Good boy.
He has a hat.
All right, Hector comes back. He's going to be on the internet.
Ow, don't poke me.
Why not?
Because it hurts.
Oh, who cares?
Poke.
No, you're out. Tell her to keep her Hector.
Cassie wants you to stay over there. No, Arnie! Arnie! Go back there, Arnie. Go back. Go back, little Arnie.
Yeah, thank you.
Hat. Hat.
Yeah.
Hat.
No, that's a decoration. That's a floral decoration. It's like putting a rose in the mouth.
Now, what grade are you going to be in, Sophia? Third.
You told me the second.
Third. I thought you were going to be in fourth.
You told me the second. I asked you what grade you were in.
I thought you were in the
other day.
sixth already.
You told me the second.
Nuh-uh.
I did too.
No, we said third.
I wrote it down.
Third.
No, you didn't say anything about the third.
Yes, I did.
No, you did not.
Uh-huh.
Do you
I
know
wrote it
your
down.
teacher?
You want me to get the paper out and look at it?
No.
Do you know your teacher?
No.
When does school start?
Tomorrow.
They don't get much vacation anymore.
It seems like it's been a long time, but that's because I haven't been working.
To me, we used to get up right after the first week in June.
Yeah.
About the 7th grade to June.
Why don't you say right there next to Peggy?
And went
Yeah,
back the day
this
after
chair's
Labor
been
Day.
empty all night.
No, the one next to
I
Peggy.
remember getting out of school, because my birthday is June 6th. It was real close to that. It was always real close to that.
Hat. Put the hat on. Put the hat on.
Barney, I'm
Now
through
they
eating
don't get
for
out
the
of
night.
school until like the end of June, and they're back in August.
I have a hat.
They have to make up snow days
Thank you,
and stuff like that.
Yeah, I thought that was great.
Well, kids in farm country used to go in May.
What is
So they had
it,
to-
Dad?
How quick they got out there.
Oh, yeah, they
Spring
took it
plan.
all apart.
Hat.
And
I
that was
think
where
that's what the whole,
that's what the whole thing is. And they went back after Labor Day because most of the harvest was done.
You have to put my clothesline back out, too. Whoever took it.
Eventually it'll happen.
Yeah, that's okay. I've already done this.
We've got some dogs hanging.
You know, I think what we'll do, Kathy, as long as we got the downspout, is just roll up the gutters and wash out all that stuff. Run down.
On our freshly painted surface?
No, it shouldn't go on there, but if it does, it could just wash it off.
We can do whatever.
Yeah, get rid of whatever.
It'd be worth it to.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
yeah, your downspouts are at, you have 4 downspouts and are at the 4 high points of the whole gutter system.
I think they are.
Are you finished?
I think so much of these build up. But it's just like Jeff. That's good. Right down here. It goes back this way. That's why I have that friend.
Inside?
Yeah. It looks good.
That's kind of what we had in mind right now.
I was surprised you could see it.
Yeah.
See your house and see Cassie's.
Where? Huh? Oh, you could?
Yeah.
I was in Boston. I didn't have my. Oh, really?
I was in Boston.
Oh, because it was on. I thought it looked good. How was the show? It looked like it was a good show. They didn't get close. We got close here.
Yeah, but I like it when they really came down.
Yeah.
People went crazy up there.
I think they only did that one.
Yeah, right.
They only did it once on Friday.
I don't know. I think I liked it better in the past when we used to fight over our hospitals all the time. Because, you know, there were too many people making noise in the house. The shrine. They didn't want to play over there.
Well, they used to fly.
So they flew more over here.
Well, they used to fly.
Well, the Mercer Island